big holes in the wall like this are best fixed with some sheetrock 90. They're just some anchors that were in there before. First, I just take my hammer, just pound it in. You don't want any high spots, so you want that to be concaved. And you just take some of this sheetrock 90. Once you mix it up, you have about 90 minutes before it's rock hard. I mix it up so that it doesn't fall off my knife when I hold it like this. And then just push that 90 into those holes. So use a bit of force. Go this way and this way. Now, the one benefit to the sheetrock 90 is that it doesn't shrink when it dries, which is really nice. So that gives me a nice hard base. When this dries, it'll be rock hard. Then I'll go over it with the all-purpose compound after that. Bigger holes than this, I'd probably use a patch, like a mesh patch to cover it. For these holes, it'll be fine with the sheetrock 90. Anything bigger, use a patch to make sure that it's fixed good. But this will be nice and hard in about 90 minutes. I'll probably give it a couple hours or a few hours, and then I'll coat over it with the all-purpose.